Have you ever looked up an address on Google, sent mail to it, only to have it come back undeliverable? This is not uncommon. For example, look at 2335 South Highway 89 in Provo, Utah. Google delivers a point in the middle of nowhere, yet this address is a perfectly accurate address for Smarty HQ. If you're tired of getting burned by Google Maps for mailing or other address accuracy needs, you can quickly look up any address for free at smarty.com, or click the link in the description. At the top, hover over Resources, and then under Demos, select Single Address Verification. Behold, the very easy-to-use single address validation tool. You can check any address anywhere in the world. If you want to check one outside the United States, be sure to select International. I'll do a U.S. address for my example. Under Lookup Type, specify if you're going to use components, address, city, state, and zip code, or freeform. For this example, I'm going full-on freeform, baby. Start entering the address and check it out. The address tool will begin to autocomplete the address for you. You don't even have to type the whole thing if you don't want to. When you see what you're looking for, just select it. When we start typing the previously mentioned example address, 2335 South Highway 89 Provo, the address field begins to autocomplete. We can see quickly that there is no Highway 89 option, but there is a State Street option, which is another name for Highway 89. Once we select that option, the validation tool also tells us that there must be a secondary number, like a suite, if you're going to mail something to this address. So if you're looking for something more reliable and useful than Google, feel free to use the free single address validation tool for free on smarty.com. Okay, bye.